India's efforts to make a vaccine, essentially for the coronavirus, gets the Mission Mangal treatment in the latest Vivek Agnihotri film. Hi, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of The Vaccine War. फिल्म के नाम से ही पता चलता है कि फिल्म का सब्जेक्ट क्या है, टॉपिक बेसिकली क्या है. इट्स हाउ the teams at the ICMR and the NIV, which is the Indian Council for Medical Research and the National Institute of Virology, came together with Bharat Biotech to essentially engineer a COVID vaccine within India. ठीक है, ये basic story है फिल्म की. And honestly, a story that needs to be told. It is pretty inspiring. It is pretty effective. मतलब आपके emotions हो जाते हैं evoke by the film kind of wants it to be. There is, of course, the big problem of background music. Sometimes it's way too unnecessary. जैसे कि अगर हम कोविड का जो कोरोना का वायरस देख रहे हैं, वी डोंट नीड दिस काइंड ऑफ very struggled breathing sound in the background. It takes away from the tension a little bit. We know how terrifying it is. You know, we all lived through the pandemic. We know how scary that time was. तो इसमें ये exposition की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. नाना पाटेकर plays बलराम भार्गवा और ये फिल्म उनकी किताब पे भी based है, which is called Going Viral. So obviously we're seeing their story. But the great thing is that we're also seeing the stories of all the female scientists who helped him in this mission. And that's where the Mission Mangal thing comes in. हमें उन कुछ लोगों की family lives देखने को मिलते हैं. We see how emotionally and physically taxing something like this can be. Nobody is doubting the fact that healthcare workers and virologists and anyone who put in research for the vaccine did superhero stuff. मतलब at one point they're compared to the Avengers and it would seem like again a little heavy-handed, but you're willing to let it go here because जो काम उन्होंने किया है is that good, right? And yet the film strays. अगर फिल्म इसी जगह पे रहती of these efforts of being inside that lab, of capturing that kind of tension, of capturing that kind of triumph, तो फिल्म बहुत ही अच्छी होती है. और इसीलिए फिल्म का फर्स्ट हाफ बहुत ही एंगेजिंग है. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू वॉच बिकॉज फिल्म ने कहीं पे भी जो साइंटिफिक टर्म्स हैं और या जार्गन है उसको ऑडियंस के लिए डम डाउन नहीं किया है. दे नॉट एक्सप्लेनिंग इट टू यू लाइक दे थिंक यू वोंट अंडरस्टैंड. एंड sure, for some people that might be heavy because not everyone would understand that language, पर फिल्म का जो प्रोग्रेशन है इज सिंपल इनफ फॉर यू टू नो कि अच्छा बेसिकली चल क्या रहा है, एंड दैट्स वेरी गुड. तो वो एक बात बहुत अच्छी है इस फिल्म की. आई विल ऑल्सो एडमिट दैट द प्रोग्रेशन ऑफ द फिल्म is pretty good in the first half. ऐसे chapters में बताए जाते हैं हमें each struggle that the team has to face. I like the fact that Nana Patekar's character is this kind of stoic individual. वो किसी को कभी शाबाशी नहीं देते. He wants everything to be done quickly. उनको results चाहिए. And this character is also played very beautifully by him. That entire kind of his motivation, the way he reacts, it's predictable because the actor has played it so well. उनके आसपास के जो एक्टर्स हैं have also done a brilliant job. The ones who play the scientists played mostly by Pallavi Joshi, Girija Oak and Nivedita Bhattacharya. I might be missing some names there, but these were the kind of the roles that affected me the most, so I remember them. बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया उन्होंने इस फिल्म में. I really like how they have found just a balance between the emotional and their work life. It's all very well done. ऐसा भी कभी नहीं लगता कि oh this is their character and that's it. It's not always like one tone जो बहुत अक्सर हमने देखा है फिल्मों में होते हुए. Doesn't happen here, so I guess kudos for that. There is also then the fact of who is the villain here. I am truly flabbergasted. It's just the thing that इस फिल्म में they say कि okay there is this one media person. She gets a foreign toolkit जिसको बाद में जला देना है. There's some mention of celebrities and influencers tweeting exactly the same things. ये बात कोई मना नहीं कर रहा है कि there was a lot of misinformation during the pandemic. It was there, it was rampant, but that is not specifically the misinformation the film is interested in. वो काफ़ी shades of misinformation पे तो हाथ ही नहीं लगाते हैं फिल्म में. And it also forgets the fact that while there was misinformation, it was still the media who was debunking this misinformation. और हमें ये nuance structure देखने को मिलेगा ही नहीं because it doesn't fit into what the film wants to tell you. And the thing is, it still doesn't quite click क्योंकि जब ये journalist introduce होती है फिल्म के starting में, she is questioning medical infrastructure. The team that is behind the vaccination gets mad at her for it. बट थ्रू आउट द फिल्म दे आर ऑल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ उनके पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, हाउ उनके पास वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है जिसको उनकी जरूरत है. जो ह्यूमन मिजरी एंड सफरिंग था पैंडेमिक का गेट्स वेरी वाइट वॉश्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस नैरेटिव. ऐसा बहुत कुछ है जो फिल्म एक्सप्लोर कर सकती थी. द फैक्ट दैट द स्टेक्स आर सो हाई comes from the fact that there was such human suffering. There is so much pressure on the scientists because if they fail, there is a huge kind of consequence to that. और वो stakes कभी हमें देखने को मिलते ही नहीं है क्योंकि फिल्म एक और narrative में ही shift हो गई है. And that is, I think, my biggest problem with the vaccine war is that it's again choosing a narrative over its subjects, and that is just, it sucks क्योंकि ये जो story है, it is so inspirational. उसको जब आप सिर्फ स्टोरी पे फोकस कर रहे हो ऑफ दीज पीपल, द फिल्म इज एक्चुअली प्रिटी गुड टू वॉच. द सिनेमाटोग्राफी इन मोस्ट प्लेसेस इज ग्रेट. दे क्लियरली हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सेस ऑल्सो, एंड आई लव दैट वी गेट टू सी जस्ट द इंट्रिकेट वर्किंग्स ऑफ दीज लैब्स. तो अगर हम इस पे प्रॉपरली फोकस करते एंड वुड एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड वॉट द वैक्सीन वॉर इज, अदर देन लाइक बीइंग वैक्सीन अगेंस्ट द मीडिया विच just does not make proper sense to me just as a plot line, this film would have been much better. There is, of course, there's some critique of big pharma also in there, पर वो 3-4 मिनट में खत्म हो जाता है. That would have been such a great angle to explore, especially with the access that you have. And that's the thing, the vision is just one track that the film loses its kind of focus towards the end. And that is why, just because I genuinely just liked almost half of the movie and that the performances were so great, my rating for The Vaccine War is 2.5 stars out of 5.